Hi, today we'll be creating a PHP HTML form, also inserting, but in this case updating information, and I'll be working on such site and about salary, and then we'll be creating a salary form field. It's basically a basic information. Okay, so we start writing by method post action, and I wrote this to the same page as this is. So this is the web page, and this is the link extension, so you can find it on internet. Remote. It was like I think $_ underline request remote server, and this was just URL remote request URL. Okay, so we start writing. I write the tables. So wide 100%. Tier means a new line. You just type this one down. Echo. Okay, so first we're going to be using two columns and many new lines. So first column is TD. I don't know what that stands for, but as we are using left side and right side, so one is left and this is the right side, and then the new line closes. Also don't forget to close the table tier, because I knew there will be another line right here, and close the table. So just to keep it reminder that you have to write these codes very beautiful for your eyes, so you can have a quick eye memory. Okay, so I basically use 45%. Okay, so now write div align right, div closes, and copy paste this div align left. Okay, so now I'm just writing like name, and then it'll be surname and blah blah blah. But I'll be using input. Input type equals text. Value will be if something is already gathered, then you should show this, but I'll write in later on. Size I'll use like 25, and name is name. Okay, so here's a error. Just check this out before I copy paste it. Okay, now just multiply them like surname and then email. Okay, last name, email, country, city, and we also need like address. Postal code. Let's also write surname and phone number. I'm sorry, this is a very long table. You don't need to look at, but keep in mind this is not very hard. Phone and postal code, phone, address. Okay, so in case this is a salary, so you need PayPal email. Okay, for now that's it. and let's copy paste one more time. Delay the last. Let's write cospan equals 2, so this is column will be by 2, and center, and let's put in a submit button. Done. Then it's value, and let's save changes. Okay, class is a style thing. Download this template on internet, and just basically the button will be stylish, but it's not so important in this tutorial. Okay, so now that we have form ready, we should upload it on server. Just and then we will refresh it. Okay, we have our beautiful form right here. Okay, so now we should save changes, and before we can save changes we need a database, and I will show you just a moment how you can create a database. Okay, and to create a database, you just write here, I'll write like game user salary, and number of fields. We had like many, so I just write at first 10, and keep in mind always create ID of init, and you can write also 20 extra and auto, so means that there will be no duplicate records. Then let's just start. This is a user profile, so this will be user ID number, and then we have email, and 300, phone number 30, and we have address 500, but in address you keep in mind that it could be also Unicode. Country 50 Unicode, city 50. Okay, PayPal email, keeping 300. I just keep value 1, value 2, 3. Save changes. Okay, we have our new database created, and now we should update these changes on these database fields. So first, what we need to do is we need to check whether we have such database already created. So first we need to check. So UI means user info, MySQL fetch array, MySQL query, select all from game user salary, and just check whether it's the same table. You can also many times copy paste it, so it's much simpler. Where cos equals, so where who equals the user that's already with the session already searching for you, but you can write as different as you like. Okay, so this tutorial is about done because the time is 10 minutes per video, so I'll continue next tutorial.